Town & Country Ford, North Nashville's custom truck and Shelby dealer. New Rocky Ridge, Black Widows, Harley-Davidson, Shelby Torch, F-150s and F-250s with over 30 in stock now. How about this Rocky Ridge from $66,900? Or maybe a Shelby Mustang GT350. Now that's a hot number. North Nashville's Town & Country Ford, family owned, same location 40 years. Check us out at FordNashville.com. Town & Country Ford, family owned, 40 years, same location in North Nashville. Check out our Pony Corral, new Bronco Sports from $32,900, big Broncos from $49,000, or new Mustangs from $32,900. The ponies are wild here at Town & Country. Maybe a pre-owned Ford pickup is your style, with over 30 quality checked and certified in stock to choose from. Town & Country Ford, North Nashville. Check us out at FordNashville.com.